Hello. Evet. Gidiyorsunuz. Hello. Hello, my friend Neil Mercer. Um, I think it will be a pump, to be honest. That's my own opinion. I think it will be a pump, to be honest. That's my own opinion. Yeah, what do you reckon? What do you reckon? Do you reckon it's gonna be a pump? Do you reckon it's gonna be a dump? as soon as it's going to be hitting the ZGB listing, um, I assume it's going to be back to all-time high. It could be. It could be. I'm just checking the graph here myself. Let's jump onto the live graph. The all-time high, that's all. That's where we want to be going. Yeah, wells are selling. So I think if we do go back, so this is the graph, the live graph. Let's zoom out. Zoom out a bit. Yeah, the wells are definitely keeping the price down at the moment. They are dumping. There are a lot of sell orders coming in at the moment, but these aren't big sales, you know. I don't think these are wells at all. Yeah, exactly. The wells definitely want the Chinese to feel like it's cheap. Here, there's one here, 1,800. There's another one, $2,382. There's definitely a lot of sell orders coming in at the moment, which is definitely pushing the price down. There are buys as well, but they're much smaller than the sells at the moment. We have seen a little bit retracement in the price. There's another one here, just come through $15,000, around $15,000. $75,000 is another big sell order. There's definitely a lot of people selling. But yeah, hopefully, I reckon once we get onto the ZGB exchange, comes on, that could be, obviously no one knows, but I think there's a technical aspect as well. So they might be playing around with the website. That might just be, it might just be getting ready to be put on the website. So yeah, I reckon there could be someone, you know, in the programming team or the coding team might be playing around with the website at the moment, which would obviously affect these kind of things. It might just have affected um, the timer on the website. Yeah. Why do you reckon? Write down below. I know it's just only three people at the moment on the chat, but hopefully we get some people there. I'm just gonna share it. Well, very quickly, I'm gonna share it. Analytics. Yeah, on the videos. I'm gonna share this. Yep. Why do you reckon? Why do you reckon ZGB time has gone off? Neil, why do you reckon the ZGB time has gone off? Let's check the graph right here. The graph is, I mean, definitely not looking good at this time. It's definitely moving slightly down. We've seen 5.3, 0.0. That's one other thing I'm also, at the same time as, I'm not too sure about that. I'm not too sure about that. I'm not too sure about that, but there's definitely something going on behind the scenes. Some people are definitely selling their holdings. You can see here $801, another $1,900 just come in. I'm just trying to have a look at the graph here. So if I fly, how can I? Yeah, so here, right here, if you see, here. I'm trying to show you guys what's been bought and sold at this current second. So someone just sold nearly $2,000 worth. Another person sold $25 worth. Someone's bought $200 worth. Another person's bought $1,700 worth. And the buys and sells are just coming in. More sales have been coming in. More sales have been coming in. More sales have been definitely coming in. Yeah, definitely. I hold Safemoon myself, man. Otherwise, I wouldn't be on here, would I? I hold some, you know. I reckon I hold some. I don't want to declare it on here on YouTube, but you know, more than some millions, more than millions. But that's not the reason why I'm here on YouTube. I'm not trying to pump this coin for any reasons. Based in London. Yeah, based in London, UK. Where are you based, Mr. Mercer? Tunbridge. Hmm, Tunbridge. The price is definitely moving downward. There's a downward trend, man. Scroll up, yeah? You want me to scroll up? Cool. Let me scroll up, yeah. What do you mean in terms of the price? Where do you want me to scroll up to, Nazi? Scroll up here, look. We can look at the prices, what's been sold, and what's been bought at this time. I was just talking about it a couple of minutes ago. Oh, the chart right here. The chart currently the price is at no zero zeros, so five zeros and then 5263. So where you lot reckon this where you lot reckon this safe moon is going, man? You lot think it's going to the moon, or you lot think it's come back down to Earth today? Yeah, 20 billion market cap. Hmm. I think that has to times by 10 then, isn't it? It has to times by 10. I think currently we're sitting about 3 billion market cap. If we do reach around to them levels, 20 billion market cap, which is actually not it's not very unrealistic, I believe. Like, it's just, if this coin does get pumped to China, if this coin does get pumped to Africa, which are emerging huge markets, then I'm sure 100%. I'm sure that it can reach 20 billion. Yeah, no, to be honest with you, we have seen some listings from the CEOs, and they are saying we are going to be listed on a few more other platforms. I think the ones that have been named so far are not the biggest in the industry. However, obviously, that's you have to start from somewhere, right? You have to start from somewhere, and as time goes, I'm optimistic to see that there might be new listings coming out there. The market cap right now is at about 3 billion, which isn't too bad. I think today we might see the price touch 0 0.5 again. Um, we might see the price touch 0 0.5 again, and from that point, I think hopefully we can see it move back up to. I think today the price can even touch around 0 0.7. That's just my view. When it does get listed, we'll see a small pump. Sorry, we'll see a small pump in the price, and but yeah, let me know what you think. Yeah, Neil, you got it spot on, mate. I think we are going to see around zero point 0.8 today, um, around 0 0.7 to zero point 0.8. Obviously, I don't want to be too optimistic and say this definitely going to happen, but it does look likely. ZBG, let's just hop onto their website for a second here. Exchange. Let's jump onto their website and see if the counter of the timer is back again. Because obviously, you guys know that ZBG, in terms of volume, trading volume, is number three in the world, the third biggest exchange in the world. Obviously, the population in China is more than a billion, so if only like 10, 1% of the Chinese jump onto this, then it could go crazy. Okay, so I haven't actually. One second. See, what's actually pissing me off is earlier when I used to search Safemoon here, you could find it, but right now it's gone. But here, look on the announcement section, you could see it here. Let's just go more, and it goes new list. Okay, cool. Let me just search Safemoon here. Okay, so it says here, Safemoon will be listed on ZBJ, this platform. And if we do scroll down, the timer, there is no timer here at the moment. But yeah, last week another news came out that we were verified on BSC scan, and that's definitely happened. We are definitely verified there. But yeah, let me know your thoughts, guys, man. I'm really optimistic about this as well. Hold about nearly hold more than a billion SafeMoon tokens, and hopefully, I'm really optimistic. But we are seeing a lot of sales, man. What's going on? People aren't holding this stuff. But the thing is, the more there's sales, the better it is for us, man. Because obviously we get 5% redistribution, and the other 5% gets burned of the tokens, which is a really good thing. Here we have another look. We have a buy order at $4,350. That's a very nice buy. Yeah, definitely, Neil. I definitely um, agree with that. The AMA this time, I was watching it yesterday. It looked much more professional. You know, the guys were, obviously I don't really care about how they're dressed, but the impression they gave and the appearance that they had was much more on point. I think even the camera quality and just how stable it was, the camera wasn't moving. It's like the last AMA was a disaster, man. And even, like they were just sitting there in a nice professional manner. The way they were talking, the way they were acting and behaving, it was very stable and calm. So definitely agree with that point you made. The AMA was loads better this time. And I think that if the AMA actually wasn't as good as this time, we could have seen another dump to the previous levels of 0.00035 to those levels, like down here, like when it dumped around here. Look, you can see, I think it was around these times where it dumped around 3492. But this time, the AMA definitely was much better, and with price also reflecting that as well. To be honest with you, we were seeing a lot of price dumps. I don't know if you can follow my graph here on the chart. I've been watching this very carefully. I'll scroll up so you guys can also see. But we're having right now at this second, there's a lot of buy orders coming in. There's a lot of buy orders coming in at the moment. Look, we have $8,000 someone just bought. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see. Could you see? Let me know if you can see. $8,000 someone just bought. And then someone else just after that bought $1,275. And then look, you can see these are kind of just $33 is gone, but 112 and 117 and 50s out, 50s and another 50s in. I think some people might be just something weird going on here, man. $500, $600, 100, 100, 100, one. Who buys $1? Anyways, 3,000. Look, the fingers kind of flipped. It's definitely flipped in our favor, man. $1,000 just came in as well. Another $1,000 just came in. I'm watching this on the Safemoon website. If you go onto the Safemoon website here, and then if you click on the live chart here, if you can see, I'm watching on here. Yeah, man, I like it how the CEO is transparent and stuff. Definitely. Like, to be honest with you, at first, I also thought, wait, are they a bit sketchy the way they're moving, you know? And since then, I think they've definitely realized that and he did come out and he apologized, you know, and he said that they're gonna change things up from here. And definitely, yesterday's AMA definitely proved that point. Oh my day! Someone just bought $10,000 worth here. Someone just bought $10,000 worth at this price, 0.527, and I think we're definitely seeing a move towards the. You know, a lot of people sold. Obviously, there was a lot of sales coming in, and I was getting quite worried. But now, if you think about it, these people are gonna have to come back, and they're gonna have to buy back from us, and we're gonna be in a better position because there's going to be less tokens available, and there's definitely going to be less supply out there, and then obviously the demand is going to increase. So once the demand goes higher and higher, there's no reason why the price shouldn't also go with it. Obviously, the way this coin is set up is that 10%, another $1,200 came in. Look, $5,500 came in as well. Nah, the price will definitely increase if it keeps going like this. I don't know what happened. Is it live on ZBJ already? No. Definitely the price will get go up. Let's go on Twitter here. Let's search Safemoon. Okay. So I love to come on Twitter here and just have a look. What's the latest, you know? What are people talking about? And people are definitely optimistic here, man. They're also optimistic. Yes, I just really like to go on Twitter and just read what's new, like on the latest here. Uh, so Safemoon has just tweeted actually in the past hour, and Safemoon itself said, "We can see the moon. Hold on, it's about to get exciting." And when they say these kind of things, it just makes me think like they're just so behind their own coin. They're just so for it. Why would like it just shows that how enthusiastic they are about this coin. Let's jump back on here. Oh, there's a sell, $1,000 someone sold, but straight away it's just getting eaten up very quickly. Um, Buy orders are coming in. Hello, Luigi. Obviously, where do you see SafeMoon in 5 years? Now, obviously, this coin, it's only been 2 months since this coin's been out there. Bitcoin has been there for more than 10 years. And Ripple, Ethereum, they've all passed there. Like, they've all been out there since more than 8 to 10 years. Some of them even more than that. Now, SafeMoon, in 1 year's time, in 2 months' time, it's the number one trending coin on Market Cap. On top of that, if you think about it, it's got nearly as much as followers. It's got more followers than Dogecoin, or well, people watching the coin at least on the watch list on Coin Market Cap. Adding to that is they've now got 400,000 followers on Twitter. Now these are all big and high numbers, and I think there's a lot of enthusiasm behind this coin. Now the point is that they had a great start. Okay, now obviously there were a lot of whales in the coin, and as soon as they made some serious amount of money, because remember some people had trillions of these coins, and I think they made millions when we hit all time high. Some people made their millions, and obviously I understand them as well. Like obviously they were the earliest adopters, and as soon as they saw the millions, uh, as soon as they made those millions, they left. They went out. However, this is also a very good thing for us over time because the more the whale sell, the more 5% we make, and the more 5% get burnt away, and there's less tokens available. So this is definitely this coin in time, Luigi. I'm still answering your question. With time, this coin is made to decrease to defeat it's a deflationary coin. So over time, the supply of this coin is definitely gonna decrease. This is maths, okay? You can't go wrong. But I don't know where the price would be now. Even if the price comes to 0.001, a lot of the people that are buying this coin today would most probably be millionaires. This is something so crucial. And a lot of people that are going to find out about this coin in the next couple of years. Now, I'm not saying you're going to be a straight millionaire. There's going to be a lot of ups, there's going to be a lot of downs. You're going to make a lot of money, you can lose a lot of money over the time. However, if you are able to hold on, I reckon this is my own opinion, and that's why I myself am invested into SafeMoon. Obviously, I'm not saying go and invest all your life savings into a new coin that's only been out there for 2 months, but something that you can lose and you're okay with it. Like that's what I did personally. And but I'm really optimistic about this coin. I'll be honest. It's because of the definitely because of the tokenomics of this coin that it's just gonna get burnt. And we have already seen that all-time high. here at around zero. It's past one. At one point, it was past 0.0001. We actually burnt a zero, and yeah, definitely the long run, because the longer you are gonna be here, Luigi, don't forget with this coin, you're gonna earn more coins on the way. So you're only making more coins. And then if these coins, oh look, we had a buy order come in here. Oh wow. Yeah. So the more you earn coins, obviously, the more money you will be able to make. So the price is not moving too much. Since I've gone onto this stream, the price was sitting around zero point 0.5 to 0.55. So the price today is definitely consolidating, and at any time we can actually see a run, or we could see a dump or a pump. But the ZBJ listing today is definitely exciting. Luigi, is it part of the protocol to burn? How often do they burn? Okay, so yeah, according to the white paper of this coin, every time there's a transaction, it burns. So every time there's a transaction, 10% of the transaction goes to a transaction fee, basically. 5% of that should be getting burned, and the other 5% gets redistributed to all the holders. Oh, look, another buying order came in. $5,200 here. Looks sick. Obviously, there's some sales coming in as well, but they're not as big as the buys at the moment, at this particular moment. So, did that answer your question, Luigi? From what I understand, that's how it works. Um, from what I understand, that's how it works. So, for every buy order, there's also there's a 10% transaction fee, which then that 10% transaction fee gets burnt, and that's how it goes. And the more it happens, the more transactions there are, the more the holders earn. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so that's how I think it will go. It's definitely part of the protocol, and it's definitely how the coin works. And as time goes, we will be making more and more tokens and coins, and uh, that's just the way it works, man. Yeah. So, any more questions, guys? I know there's only how many people are watching. I've just obviously shared it, so hopefully we just get some spike in viewers as well. Um, Definitely, man. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, man. Here, let's look at some more sales here. Oh, some more sales coming in. $1,800, $3,500. But then look, straight away you could see someone sold for 3,500, and another person come and bought $3,900 worth. Do you know what I mean? So even though we are getting some people selling this coin, there are definitely people coming in to buy this coin at the same time. Sometimes the sale just it just depends on the price, you know. But every time there is a sale made, every single time there is a sale made, we also make 5% of that in the redistribution. So don't forget, guys. Every time there's a sale made, oh, Someone just bought $7,000 worth. Here, you could watch it from here. Look, someone just bought $7,000 worth of Safemoon, which is not a lot. Don't get me wrong, but it's a very good start. Wow, someone just sold 140 grand. That must be a whale, guys. Come on, that's definitely a whale. I mean, at the same time, um, obviously it makes me upset that people are selling. Some people are selling, but at the same time, it is also a good thing for us because, as I explained earlier as well, we make 5% of that as the holders. So this coin, someone just sold 140,000. Now, Luigi, that's a great question. What you just asked. Um, Now, that's a great question. Um, in the long run, yes, but I don't think we're going to be seeing that anytime soon, to be honest. It's a brand new coin. It's only been out there for a month. Binance is a very serious now entity. Um, they Binance. Let me just check my headphones here. Binance is a very serious. Could you guys hear me? Is that okay on that side? Yeah, Binance is a very serious entity, and it's gonna take some time. It's definitely gonna take some time. I'm not sure how long, but obviously, the more people speak about it on Twitter, the more hype it creates, the earlier it will be, the earlier it will end up being. Um, Once it gets onto Binance, guys, okay, look, there's 5 people in this chat right now, and I'm assuming you guys have all uh, have some at least some SafeMoon, okay? Now, just realize the fact that I think, okay, once it hits Binance, we're millionaires. The reason is that remember this coin is so early on and the price is actually still very, very, very cheap. Imagine if the price times by 100, okay? Like, and if you've just put in £1,000 or $1,000 into this coin, you're making $100,000. That's the way I see it. And if it does get listed on Binance, I can't even imagine, man, because so many people out there just don't want to download Trust Wallet or don't want to make another account on Bitmart or don't even want to go onto Gate.io or don't want to even, go onto that Let's Exchange. I've never heard about these platforms before, to be honest. And there's thousands of millions of people out there that just won't go through that hassle, man. And to buy this Safemoon, they will just think it's a scam. But once we're on Binance, I mean, we're off the roof. To be honest with you, Neil, I think that the earlier we can get onto Binance, the better it is, obviously. But it's not going to happen in the next couple of months. That's what I can see. Even with exchanges like ZBJ, I don't think it's that easy to list with them. And the fact that that happens so quickly, I mean, obviously it's a good side to it as well. You can also think at the same time, the ZBG happened very quickly and they're the third biggest in the world. But obviously they're in China. Now that happens particularly quickly. It's only the second month of this coin. Well, we never know. You never know. You actually never know. Binance could just come through, and because obviously, I think Binance tweeted something to be honest. And now, if you go onto Binance Twitter page, and they've tweeted 2 individual separate tweets. One of them had safe with an arrow downstairs down, and the tweet right beneath it had moon on it. So it read out moon. So I think they did kind of give out a hint that they may be considering, oh, $4,400 sale just came in. And a lot of sell orders are now, buy orders are just coming in right now. So that was a buy order, the 4,000. Yeah, definitely there's more buy orders than sell orders coming in right this second. But obviously it fluctuates, right? The price also, we've just seen a little, wow, that's good, that's nice. We've seen the price tick up just a little bit. It's moved from 5.2 to 5.4. And yeah, so I'm just gonna make a Twitter post. I'm gonna tag Safemoon because obviously I've just started doing YouTube and my YouTube page is still not big. My Twitter page as well is not too big. But I'm just gonna try something, and I'm gonna make a. I'm gonna make a Twitter post right now. I've logged into Twitter. Cool. So if I go and make a post about Safemoon, hashtag Safemoon, yeah, so just put it out there. Let's see. Would we get any people joining into our chat? So I just put a tweet out there on Twitter, hoping to reach some people. And um, and if you guys can also share this um, live discussion, that I'll be so thankful, man. I'll be so thankful. Obviously, the more people we can join in onto this discussion, the more people we could get on this wave, and the better it is for everyone else. YouTube is very hard, man, at this point because I've just started doing YouTube videos like a month ago, 2 months ago, I think, and it's actually quite difficult to get views now. It's not like before. That's what everyone says. So I've only got about 1,000 subscribers. Yeah. Oh, we've seen another push up in price. It's now hit 55 and it's moving itself towards 56. Um, it looks good for us, man. Neil, Luigi, it looks good for us. Hopefully, more better things to come, man. More better things to come in for our way. We're gonna buy those Lambos, yeah? What color Lambo are you getting? If this thing ever hits Binance, what color Lambo are you getting, bro? Someone just sold $15,000 though, bro. But the price still hasn't even like nudged. Like it's like people are selling, but the price is moving up. Red, yeah, cool, cool. Croydon, yeah. So I live in Manor. I live towards North London, yeah, like towards Tottenham, yeah. And I'll get a yellow one, and then if you get a red one, we could we could meet like halfway, maybe in Kensington, in that sort of area, and we could be driving, crypto rich, yeah. Safe Moon. I'll get my number plate safe, and you can have yours Moon, Safe Moon, and we could drive together. That would be so cool, bro. Imagine the amount of hate we'll get though. And we'll just be like, sorry, mate, we bought Safe Moon. We got Safe Moon, do you know what I mean? Safe to the moon, fam. Safe. We tell everyone safe, innit? Safe. Get our way, bro. But come on, though. Alright, now, we're, yeah, Safe Moon, definitely, bro. Actually, you're right, you know. We should get in Safe Moon colors. Like a pop. see what's going on here. Okay. So Dila Tunsil said hi. Hi, Dila Tunsil. Everyone, I think you should all like the video at least. So if you guys like the video, we could get more people to see the stream and jump on. Yeah, so I think there's, more than 5 of us in here at the moment. And if we all just like this video, let me. So yeah, guys, man, definitely support the thing. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna be live here, man. All day. Hopefully, like I'm not sure how long, but I'm gonna be here as long as I could be, and we're gonna make this thing go live together, guys, man. We definitely have to, create some hype around this coin. It's definitely worth for everyone to come onto this coin as well. So obviously, we're not just doing it for ourselves, but we're doing it for everyone else at the same time, and we can push this thing out, man. But definitely like the video, Neil. Neil, come on, Neil. You've been here the longest, Neil. You haven't even liked the video, Neil. Come on. Where's the support, G? We're gonna get the Lambos, G, but where's the support? Share the video, like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel as well. Yeah, we've got 3 likes and 6 people are watching the video at the moment. Our live is definitely love for that, bro. Love for that. Definitely love for that, bro. Thumbs up. But, yeah, we had 50 people watching. And yeah, 6 people are currently here. But obviously, I think it's quite delayed because the reason for that is because it says chat rate is 0 when there's a lot of people chatting in the group. Um, yeah, love for that, bro. Definitely love for that. Thumbs up. Hey, we got someone new. Harold Cerner. Hey, bro. Best of luck. Remember when we get rich? I can't afford to invest at the time. Bro, listen, yeah. I'm going to pin your comment here. And what we do here on this live, because there's a lot of people out there that donate. Don't forget this, yeah. People like you support the community. There's a lot of people out there that donate. So I'm going to pin your comment here. Can I? I don't think I can actually. I'm trying. Ah, wait. How can I pin that comment? I'm gonna try to pin your comment, bro. Yeah. And if there's anyone that wants to donate some Safemoon tokens to you, I mean, obviously not maybe a lot here, but just like a couple million, they could then read that comment, and they might even be willing to. Some people might come through and support the community, and they might want to donate some coins. So you never know. I can't do it now because I don't want to twitch off the thing, but as soon as I can, I'm going to try to pin that comment, man. How can I pin that comment? Cool. Come here. Pin message. Cool. There you go. There you go, bro. That's how we do it. We support the community. We're all in this together, guys. Don't ever forget, we're all in this together. The tokenomics of this coin is built for this. Do you know what I mean? This is the tokenomics of the coin. It's built to keep everyone together. That's why the people that hold are the people that are gonna be to win. Yeah, that's how it works. I mean, I hope that just turns out to be the case. But yeah, Harold, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like and share this video. And let's just keep this ball going, man. Hopefully, it's still quite early hours in America. So I'm expecting once America starts waking up, we might be getting some more. Yeah, definitely, bro. Come on, bro. If we make some millions out of this, why not? Why not? Hello, everyone. The people that are coming in new, make sure to write down in the comments down below what you think the price of Safemoon could reach to by the end of this week. By the end of this week, where you think the price of Safemoon can reach. Let's look at the live graph because we obviously haven't looked at it for some time, and it's still about 55.84, so it hasn't moved down. It's actually, since I've opened this live stream, it was at 52, and it's definitely moved up a couple of points up, which is just, it's a positive thing. And right now, if you check the graph here, you could definitely see that there's more buy orders coming in as we speak. $3,000 here, another. Obviously, someone just sold $8,000, but it's just some people are selling, some people are buying. I mean, there's nothing much you can really do. Hi, what's my realistic prediction? Look, this coin is so new, guys. Yeah, it's only been out for 2 months. I've said this before as well. Junaid, hi Junaid, by the way. Um, what I'm actually predicting, this is just my prediction. I don't know where it will end up, but I think by the end of this week we could do another all-time high. The last all-time high was about 0.000015. So the new all-time high would be above that. And this could take a week, this could take 2 weeks. The previous jumps have always been 2 weeks, one and after each other. And so this could take potentially another 2 weeks. But it's the best time to get in, I think, because we have definitely seen strong resistance around the 0.35 marks. So we're not going to go lower than that. That's what I can predict. It has, straight after the AMA, this thing took a dip to a next level, and it had a very strong support around this level here, 0.35. Yeah, from there it bounced back up. It took another dip straight away. Whales were selling. It went back down to 0.35. It was holding strong, and it kept bouncing from that level. You can check the graph. Every time it's dropped back to that level, it's just bounced back. This price here, I mean, last night I think it even got close to 0.000075. But I think this price here is quite a good, low, decent price. And I think the reason why it hasn't done another all-time high yet is people are just very careful and they just want to wait. There was obviously a lot of things people were talking on Twitter about a scam and potential and this and whatever. I think that's kind of died down now, but people are still wary. The second reason is that people don't know where to buy. Look, Junaid has just asked us, yeah, Junaid Rafiq. Sorry if I'm saying your name wrong, but I can read that as Junaid Rafiq. He just asked us, where can you buy? I mean, if this brother here is asking us where we can buy from, if this brother here is asked where can you buy from, that means there's so many people out there that just don't know how to buy this coin. And imagine if it ever reaches Coinbase or Binance, where would we be looking at it from now? Do you know what I mean? Where could it reach from there? Okay, so you buy it on Trust Wallet, guys. Yeah, you can Pancake Swap. So you download Trust Wallet, and then you jump on Pancake Swap, and then you exchange it from there. Tarun Vade. Yep. Can it ever reach 0.001? Okay. So looking at a math, I've got a math degree, guys. Okay. So just to let you know, for it to reach 0 point to that level, that basically means it has to do 100 times. Okay. Its current market cap is 3 billion. So it has to do that 100 times. So it has to go to 300 billion. Bitcoin has got a market cap of 2 trillion. So if this coin ever gets big as you know, 1/7 of Bitcoin, then it will go to 0.001. And everyone that is holding from today, okay, will become millionaires. Or if not millionaires, they'll at least have hundreds of thousands of dollars. Some people will have $50,000. Some people will have made $100,000. It all depends with the amount of coins they hold. But the longer they're in this coin, the longer they'll be making the 5% returns per day per transaction. Because don't forget, every time this coin gets sold, there's a 10% transaction fee. 5% of that, 2.5%, I think, gets burned. 2.5% gets put into the liquidity pool, which is also a very good thing. So that's 5% locked away, gone. The other 5% gets passed on to the distributor, the people that are actually still holding the coin. So the longer you hold the coin, the better it is. Okay, guys, so let's see what's going on with this live chat. Okay. Bro, Junaid Rafiq, I think it can be both, you know. Let me be very honest with you. I don't see a. Look, obviously, there's some people out there like myself. I believe in it for the long term. But in the short term, it can also make you gains. So let's just say you buy right now, it's 0.0005. If this coin does 5x, let's just say you put in $1,000, okay? And it done 5x for 5 times in the next month. What you could be doing, and I would actually push people or tell people that this is a sensible thing to do, is take out your original investment. So let's just say you put in $5,000 and it reached 5 times its value. $1,000 becomes $5,000. You take out your $1,000. Let's just say you took another $1,000 out for your profit. So you've already doubled your money and you then still have $3,000 in this coin still sitting there. So you've completed your short term goals and you're still in it for the long term with no risk. How sick does that sound? That's been my strategy, to be honest, with this particular coin, and I'm definitely gonna hold some for the long term. So in the future, I'm not that guy that says, "Ah, I had Safemoon at 0.00005 and I sold it for like $5,000." When in the future, this coin could be worth, you know, like 0.01 cents, and that could make me a millionaire. Definitely, you want to hold some for the long term, and you want to also, if you want to and if you need to, you can sell some and get out. It's just that simple, man. Guys, ask me some more questions. Come on. Let's jump back onto the chart. The chart is still the same. It's sitting at 0.000054. It hasn't really moved much up or down. It's very stable at the moment. It's definitely consolidating the price. So when we do actually see ZBJ exchange coming on, I do expect, this is my prediction, guys, again, just want to say that one more time, so don't blame me if it doesn't, but I do expect some sort of a price push towards the upside. Safemoon towards the moon, and I do expect for some people to make millions. And when they do, obviously, what's going to happen is they're going to sell, and then their price will come back down. And then obviously, some more people will buy, and people will sell, and some people will buy. Guys, listen, yeah, I don't come onto live and talk for no reason. Yeah, I've invested in Safemoon and I hold Safemoon myself, but I am not trying to pump this coin so that I could make more money. All I'm doing is I want people to follow the live chart, see what's going on, talk about the news, do a live discussion. That's what I'm here for. I hold more than a billion, okay, coins. Yeah. So yeah, what I'm asking for you guys, for some more support, if you can, give me some more support. And I want people to actually um, promote my video. I know this is gonna sound a bit harsh, but if you guys just like the video, if you guys just like the video, then this video would get pushed out to more viewers. We can have more people joining into the discussion, and this will be beneficial to everyone. Neil, my guy, has just said he's got 6.1 billion coins. I estimate that that's currently around. So if my coins are worth 10k with 1.6, then your coin should be worth around 3.2, 20, about $40,000. I reckon your coins are worth right now. 6.1 billion should be around 3.2 times by 6. So 37,000, $36,000 maybe. 100, nah, bro, don't say that, Brian. Brian, welcome to the chat, my friend. But don't say that 100 million is small, man, because you don't know what this coin is going to be worth. You don't know what this coin is going to be worth in the future, and it could just go up. It could just go down. But at the end of the day, it could be worth way more. So this is currently, I want to show you guys my balance and my portfolio. Yeah, so I'm not selling something here. I'm not saying anything here that I'm not investing in. So I'm not investing in. You guys have seen that. That's my balance. Yeah. So I hold a few other coins as well at the same time. Nothing crazy. I haven't made millions of this yet. I have made some money. Okay. But it's not life changing at the moment. But it is something to make me happy. And it's definitely dropped. So at all-time high, I was holding more than that. And obviously the value of the coins were more than that on the 22nd of April. I think it even reached more than $30,000, my part. But it's definitely dropped. But I'm still, obviously, because I was an earlier buyer, I'm still not at a loss as of now. And I'm very optimistic. Otherwise, I would have pulled out. It reached to 0.00015, and obviously I didn't sell because I myself believe, I myself predict that this coin could do way more than that. Because, guys, if you want to believe it or not, I think some people are against it, some people are for it. I think social media is a big thing, okay? And I think that it's one of the number one factors where a business these days makes it or doesn't make it. Any new business right now needs social media, okay? And if you just go back and check the way Safemoon has been doing on social media, guys, they've got 400,000 Twitter followers in less than 2 months. and most of that happened over the last month. They have more than 600,000 people watching the coin on Coin Market Cap. We already have more than 1.3 million. Yeah, I want to say that again here. Here, check this. 1.27, they say on the website, million holders. Okay, I know it passed 1.3 as well at one point. Here, another thing here, 410 billion tokens have been burned. There was a trillion anyway. There was 1 trillion. So already 41% is gone. Yeah. So if 41% is gone, that leaves us with what, 59% left. 59%, yeah. Out of that 59%, 237 billion is in the liquidity pool. And with every new transaction, 5% of them get put into the, basically 2.5% of that 5% gets put into the liquidity pool. The remaining 2.5% get burnt, and the other 5% gets redistributed to the holders. Who are the holders? People like me, people like Neil, people like Brian, people like Junaid, people like Dilar, people like, who else is it? Tarun. So these people, they'll all be getting basically gifted these free tokens, which in a year's time or in 2 years' time, nobody knows what it's going to be worth. In 2 months' time, we know what they're worth. They're worth 0.00005 cents, yes. However, in 2 months' time, or in a month's time, even 2 weeks ago, 4 days ago, we burnt a zero. I know it's back. Okay, the prices, obviously, it had a correction after that, but it just shows that it's possible. And it will only take us to burn 2 more zeros, and we've 100x'd our money. So I've got 10k in there. If it burns 2 more zeros, I've got 100k. Think of it like that. Yes, guys. Any more questions? Come on, guys. Ask me some questions. I love it when you guys ask me questions. And make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to like this video as well. Neil, man, you've killed it, man. What price did you buy at, Neil? If you don't mind me asking, obviously. You don't have to answer that. You don't have to answer that. But 38.5k is great. I kind of guessed that. Okay, that you had around 38 to 40. But yeah, man, 6 billion coins is great, man. You've done great there, man. That's amazing. 6 billion coins. I mean, I suggest another all-time high. Maybe you would look to sell 20% of that. I don't know how much you put in, but you might want to take out 20% of that. I'm not a financial advisor. Obviously, it might even go up even higher, but just to secure your initial investment. And then from there, maybe you just want to leave it in there risk-free, risk-free. And that could pay off your mortgage, or buy you a Lambo, man, in a couple of years, or even a couple of months, or even a couple of weeks. You just never know. But these things just, like Bitcoin, when Bitcoin ever first came out, I'm not sure how old you guys are, but I was around 15, 16, obviously. I was 15, 16, and I didn't have that sort of money to be investing into something that I definitely knew about it. I didn't know. I'm going to be honest here, I didn't know it could ever reach these kind of price levels, like $60,000, $50,000 for a coin. But obviously, I didn't have that sort of money when I was 16 to invest in $1,000 or $2,000 or even $5,000 into Bitcoin. And yeah, so we've kind of missed that wave. And now that this new thing, Safemoon, I know there's a lot of coins out there, but I don't think any other coin has grown this quickly. in this initial period, and like with the followers and everything. I'm not talking about price. Price, a lot of coins can grow, but the community that we have here. I mean, look at these buy orders, guys. Come on, look at these buy orders that have just come in. Not, there's another sell, but look, not one sell in between. $3,500, $162, 2,400, 162, $4,500. So just here we had around $10,000 of buys coming in. Hi Junaid, yep, I'm only 21, so could only invest what I could in XRP and ADA, trying to get rich with a new coin. XRP and ADA are also great coins, I'm not going to lie about that. But yeah, they've been around for some time. ADA has had a 45,000% increase over last year after Corona hit, after the pandemic. But yeah, this time it was Safemoon. I'm also invested in ADA myself on Binance. I use Binance, to be honest, with my trades. And I had XRP. I held XRP. I had XRP from 0.2, man, and I held XRP for literally 2 years. Okay, and I sold that around 0.6. Straight after I sold, it hit $2. Could you believe that? Straight after I sold XRP at around $0.6 cents, it hit $2. It was around 1.8, something like that. But you're very young, man, Junaid. Keep it up, bro. Keep investing in these coins. And why not? It could work out for you, bro. It could definitely work out for you. 100% it will work out for you, bro. You just need to keep it up, yeah. But yeah, man. Come on, man. Like the video, share it as well if you can. I'm 37, which I've got in crypto at 20. Bro, I wish the same, you know. I'm 27 myself, okay, and I used to be a maths teacher, okay. I used to be a maths teacher. I can get that up for you in a second, okay. But hi, DB, Bullman. I'll get that up for you in a second, very shortly. Just hold on. I want to answer Neil here. Neil, I'm 26, yeah, and I was a math teacher. I quit my job. I done a different business, my own business. I started on my own business, and then the pandemic hit straight after. My own business, to be honest, in 2019, it was booming, bro. It was so good, but the pandemic kind of ruined it. Just to let you know, I used to do property like Airbnb and used to do short-term rental apartments, and that kind of just got messed up with the COVID-19. And now I'm just looking to, you know, invest in crypto, stock market, looking at this sort of stuff, man. Hopefully it works out for us, man. I mean, the earlier the better, innit? You don't want to turn 45 and then ask yourself, oh, I wish I got into this when I was 37. Oh, bro, Junaid, man, you messed up, bro. You messed up, bro. You sold your Dogecoin, man. Yeah, so just to check the ZGB launch time, ZBJ launch time, it was actually showing at in 8 hours when I checked it in the morning, and then I saw it at 6 hours. But now, DB Doorman, I'm answering your question here. Now, I don't know the reason for it. They have removed it from their website. The timer is gone. Okay. Now there could be a couple of reasons for this. Obviously, I think it's definitely going to get listed. I don't think from this point they're going to turn it around. But so either they're updating something on the Safemoon end of their website, which obviously they could be updating some programs or some programming or coding something new, and that thing just got kind of removed. Or we might see another delay. I'm not sure. Hopefully we don't. But this is the website here. The time has gone. The time has gone. Yeah, you're right. So it could actually come out anytime now from this moment, or we could actually see something else. But they are saying here that they're gonna have an initial offering Please pay attention to the subsequent announcement for the specific trading term. One question I want to ask you guys is, in this initial offering, do you think they're going to make the price a bit cheaper to have more people in China attracted to this coin at first? Do you think that's something that we could expect? Let me know your thoughts on this as well. If you do think this could be a possibility, do you think that this is something that we could expect? Because from what I understand is that with initial offerings, okay, these are like welcome rewards to customers. So ZBJ could make an agreement. This is all just a theory, by the way, in my head. Okay, the ZBJ, the exchange, when they agreed with Safemoon, okay, they could have said, "Look, listen, we want to list your coin. However, we don't want to list it at an all-time high." It's just a theory, but we don't want to list that at an all-time high because obviously, think about ZBJ. They're gonna list their coin. If they list that all-time high, and then everyone else just dumps, then their customers on their exchange would get hurt. And I don't think exchanges would like that or want that because they're gonna just think of it like, ZBJ put us into this Safemoon. They're gonna think about their reputation. So could they have potentially made an agreement with Safemoon itself to say that, listen, get some of your whales, the people, the company, to at least, offer some coins at first. So it brings down the price. And then once we list the coin, because the coin, don't forget, last night it was very, very solid at 0.65, 0.0065, or around 0.7 yesterday, those levels, yeah? And today it's just come back down to 0.55. And now it's here. And they've removed the timer from the listing, from the exchange. They've removed the timer. There was a timer there very clearly saying in 8 hours, okay? That's now gone. Now, what I'm thinking is, could they be playing with the price a little bit just to make the Chinese happy as well and to make more people just want to come and run through the doors, okay? Because don't forget, it might look like a bad thing what they're doing, but at least they're getting rid of some coins. What that makes is bigger whales. So I'm assuming the CEO and a couple other people around the CEO are holding at least 500 billion coins each, or like a trillion coins each maybe. And if they're getting rid of some of their coins, so then a lot of people can get in cheaper. But what that means is that more people are coming in, and then they're gonna want to buy more. They're gonna be telling more of their friends. And I think this is one thing that could help push the price even further. And I think seeing all-time high, it never looked more realistic over the last month. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I've been holding this coin for some time now, and the last all-time high, I wasn't expecting that. I'll be very honest with you guys. Okay, on the one that happened on 22nd of April, I think it was 21st or 22nd of April. But this all-time high, now we're expecting it. And each time there was an all-time high, the price pushed up more than I think the last one was 400%, the one before that was 200%, and the one before that was 150. I don't know if I'm wrong, Neil, or anyone else on the chat, correct me. But the price keeps pushing higher with each all-time high, the price has moved up higher. And that's a very clear indication to me that the price has been consolidating at this level for some time now. Around 0.5, it's bounced back up from 0.32. Sorry, I'm not saying all the zeros, but you know what I mean. From 3.5 to 5 to 6 to 7, around these levels. And once a price does that, going up and down, there's usually two scenarios that follow. It either breaks and it goes down the drain, or it shoots up and it pumps really hard. Now, obviously, both scenarios are very much possible. Yeah, we all agree with that. I'm not saying that it's guaranteed for the price to go up. Both scenarios are very much possible. But the reason why I think it's going to pump is because we're in a bullish market and this coin is just so new, bro. That's the reason. Yes, guys. Any questions? Is there anything you guys want to say? Let's jump back onto the chart. Let's look at some of these buys and sells, man. So the sales are, the price is still around the same level, 55. Is that 55? Um, we lost some viewers there, but hopefully they come back. They come back. Yeah, we've had 75 people jumping on in and out. I wish I had more followers, more subscribers, but yes, guys. How can I? Do you guys have any experience with YouTube? Uh, how can I push up some of my? How can I push up my people watching, man? How can I? Shall I share this? We've dropped down in viewers like a lot. We had like 6 people on, but now it's just one. That's like 500% down, bro. Yeah, so most people are gone. But yeah, it's imminent that we see more followers come back on. So yeah, I'm not gonna end the live right here at this moment because we don't give up just yet. We're Safemoon, we're the community, and I believe that people will come back and join this live. So let's quickly, I wanna share this, copy, close. Okay, so let's just go back onto Twitter and here I'm gonna write a new tweet. I'm gonna say hashtag Safemoon. Hi everyone, jump on my live Q live Safemoon price Q discussion and Q and A. Okay, then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to obviously hashtag Safemoon. How can I hashtag? Ooh, crazy. Oh, what did I do, bro? What was that? Okay, cool. How can I hashtag though? Guys, does anyone know how to hashtag on Twitter on a MacBook? Hashtag Safemoon. Cool. Now let's put that in Twitter. I haven't even put the link in. Cool. Let's put that tweet out, okay? And we jump right back in to the price here. Cool. What's the price saying right now? Guys, if everyone, there's 7 people watching right now, if everyone can just quickly like this video and write a comment down as well, if you can, and we'll just jump on this thing, the video would get shared and everything would be better. Okay? So, hey, go Safemoon, Pronos Direct. Yep. Like this video, guys. Like it, okay? Please. Now, let's look at the prices. 0.00005584. It's increased slightly, hasn't it? No. Yeah, we're back up to, we have 7 likes, we had 80 people watching the video, and we had 5 concurrent viewers. Yep. So it's all going good on this end. We want to obviously have people here on the chat and have people here talking about this coin. So, any more questions, guys? Come on, there's 6 of you. At least that could be 6 questions. I've been following this coin from day one, so I believe that I have some knowledge about this coin. And if you guys could obviously ask me some questions, I'll be loving to help answer these questions. Like it's been a long ride. It's been a long ride with this coin. It seems long because I've constantly been following it, constantly every day. But it's only been like a month, to be honest, for me. And the coin's only been out there for literally 2 months. So it's not been crazy long either. But it's just something to consider. Someone just bought a sell order at $4,000, which is great. We have some sell orders coming in, but someone just bought for $4,000. So, guys, sometimes you can just see a lot of sales, okay, like $158, $117, $14, $204, but then it's just one buy order for $4,000, and it's like triple that. Do you know what I mean? Why dislike? No, man, don't dislike. Do a like, bro. Come on, man, like the video, man. Support the thing, bro. Don't dislike. Come on. Do I have any dislikes? I'm not sure how many people. So we have 7 likes. I'm not sure how many dislikes there are at the moment. But yeah, I'm just gonna jump back into the price here and just follow a bit more. I like to follow these because it gives me a good insight about how many people are buying at this moment and how many people are selling. Obviously, I don't know how many. This might just be on PancakeSwap. It might not be including Bitmart or ZBJ Exchange. I don't know if that's even started yet. But yeah, here we can see $1,000 have just come in. $2,500 have just come in. $1,400 have just come in, and so many little ones as well. But for my Twitter, I'll be very honest with you. I'm not very active on Twitter, but I'll definitely put it down here as well. I'll put it down here. So my Twitter is, but I'm gonna start being more active if you know what I mean. But at this moment, how could I just? So my Twitter is has_a94. My Twitter is has_a94. That's my Twitter page. But I might change that. Why do I have 10 dislikes, guys? Come on, that's a bit. Why are you disliking? Are you disliking me, or are you disliking Safemoon itself, or what is it like? Yep. So why do people dislike these videos, man? It's just all we're talking about is Safemoon, bro. I'm not telling no one to buy. I'm not telling people that you definitely have to buy. I'm just telling people I've bought it. Okay, I've bought it, and I'm gonna carry on investing in it because I like it. Okay, I just like the coin, bro. And I hold this much. Okay, it's not a lot. Okay, but I'll bought it for much cheaper. And I'm gonna carry on buying this coin. I love it. It's Safemoon. We've got a great community. We have one of the best communities in the world. Okay, we have over 400,000. They have over 400,000 followers on Twitter, which is just insane because it's only happened in 2 months. Okay, and we have over 6. Let's just check. Let's just actually go and check. Okay, let's actually go and check. Cool. Actually, I kept saying 600,000, but it's nearly a million. Here, you can see right here. I'll zoom into that for you guys. Yeah, Safemoon has 940,000 followers, people watching the coin. This is a 2-month old coin, guys. Okay, just let that stick into you. Like, let's think of that. It's 2 months old. If this was old as Bitcoin, you're right. That's not a lot. But let's just check Bitcoin. Let's compare that with Bitcoin. Yeah, no. Watch this. Bitcoin is the most known currency in the whole entire world. We all agree to that. It's got a million. It's got a million. 1.1 million. We've got 950. Now, Dogecoin, everyone knows about Dogecoin. It's got half the amount of people that are watching it as us. We've got double. Just think of that. Think about our community. And Dogecoin is not even a deflationary currency, it's an inflationary currency. There's not a limited supply of Dogecoin. It's an unlimited supply. And it's at 0.27 cents. And that's because Elon Musk has tweeted about it. That's the only point. That's the reason. So, when Dogecoin first ever came out, I know we're not in it for the Dogecoin, we're here for something else. A year ago, just think about a year ago, yeah. Look at the price of Dogecoin. Look how many zeros it slashed. At this point, it had 2 zeros, okay? And that's 1 year ago. Let's look at all time, yeah? Let's look at all time. Here, in 2015, it had 3 zeros, okay? Currently, Safemoon has 5. If Safemoon gets to where Dogecoin is at, we become millionaires. The people on this chat right now, yeah, do like 1,000x. I become a millionaire in it if it does. So I'm happy in it. I just want the hope. I like the hope. People live for hope, bro. And I think it's a smart idea also. ZBJ here, it says Safemoon will be listed on ZBJ. I don't think they're going to turn back from that from this point. And we are still getting some buy orders. The price is still sitting at about the same. The market cap is still 3 billion. Liquidity is here. Obviously, in the last 24 hours, we've lost about 3% of the value. But, I mean, what could you say for that? You know, guys, is this price live? Let's reset this page. This price should be live, but let's just reset this page. Let's see where the price is at right now. Okay, so the price is actually, it's dropped a tiny bit. It's gone from 55 to about 51. Okay, so the price is still consolidating. I don't know why people are disliking this video. Okay, but yeah, I think some people got some things against Safemoon, man. It's just Safemoon is people are not happy with the idea. I think, do you know what it is? Yeah, I'll be honest here. I think so many people missed the train, which they actually haven't. And I think that they feel like they've missed the train. So what's happening is they're just hating other people making money. I think that's exactly what it is, you know. I think that's what it is, bro. What do you think, Pronos? What do you think, Pronos Direct? Why do you think people are disliking this video? I think what it is people haven't realized that they haven't missed out on this train. Yeah. Hi Sean. Hi Sean Sheep. Woo! Woo! We're going to the moon, guys. We're going to the moon. But yeah, I feel like a lot of people, because I was speaking to some guy the other day and I was like, bro, man, what do you think about Safemoon? Jump on. And he was like, nah, man, that's already gone. I'm thinking, bro, what are you talking about? It's only 2 months old. It hasn't even started yet. And he feels like he's missed out because he hasn't made that initial like 500%. You're not meant to make that, bro. Like, not everyone has to do. Do you know what I mean? You can start off now. What do you guys think about NFT finance? The finance token. Let me jump on CoinMarketCap. Yeah. And I want to just check that as well. Because, yeah, this Coin market cap still got a different price, man. I don't know why they have that for thing, but NFT finance, yeah. Finance, NFT art finance. Let's just check that coin. This coin is a new coin as well. Yeah, hopefully, bro. We all want to jump on Binance, but I don't think it's gonna happen that quickly. Like, and it's totally fine. That's the point, because like everyone thinks the quicker it happens, the better it is. I think like let it take its time, innit? Do you know what I mean? Like let it take a year. What's gonna happen? Like let it take 6 months. We just make more coins on the way. We just make more coins from all the sales. The 5% come back into our pockets. People don't realize that. If I were to go on YouTube, yeah, and if I was to search for me here, if I was to search Safemoon Live, it comes up here. I just want to see how many people. Oh, 13 people have disliked. That's a lot, though, bro. That's a lot, you know. 13 people have disliked. Why? Guys, if everyone watching this video could give a thumbs up to this video, please. It will really help the channel, and it will also help the stream as well, so we can reach more people. And we can talk about this Safemoon price and see everything. So, what's happening with stocks today, guys? Do any of you guys invest in stocks as well? Let's check StockWits. I just want to make this about Safemoon, to be honest, but it's nearly market open time. It's coming to 2:30, so I just want to check. What's going on in the markets. Do you know what I mean? So yeah. So Matic is one coin that I've previously invested in. It's up 22% today. Ripple 16% up. OCGN is up. CHZ is up. TGC is 10% up. ADA is up 10%. Polkadot is up 10%. Marathon, the mining company, is up. Crocoin is up. CryptoCoin. Filecoin is 6%. Volkswagen is 5%. Naked is up. BioNano, I'm a strong believer in BioNano, just to let you know, you guys know, is not too bad. VeChain, VeChain is up as well. So what's actually down though? Nothing's really down today, guys. It's a green day. It's actually a green day. There are some things that are down. Doge is a bit down, 3%. Dogecoin, but nothing too major, you know. And these are this is fine, you know. These kind of levels are fine. I think if it just holds there. So let's see what people are talking about Safemoon. And also let's check if there are new tweets about it. Okay, so Shinchi said it's kind of nice that people sold. I just gained 2 million coins. That's exactly what I was thinking as well. Soon Moon, that's what Trip said. If you are selling today, you may just be the worst investor of all time. Please could everyone report this salty early seller? He'll be gone in no time. Robbing hoods. Yeah, so there's a lot of people here talking on here. Vanka NFT is going to be the interesting individual NFT and unique DNA spatial minting with the tokenomics of Safemoon. Guys, one other thing that I don't like is you know how Safemoon was so successful with the tokenomics, yeah? The 10% burn situation and all of that. The one thing that I hate is all these Safe Mars, blah blah blah, all these new coins that are coming up that are just literally copying Safemoon, just changing the name and just expecting that it could have the same success. It's just, I don't know. Don't feel right to me. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments in the chat. But what do you guys think about that? I'm just gonna go on Twitter, check the top tweets about Safemoon. Okay, so we can see the moon. Hold on, it's about to get exciting. Okay, so Safemoon obviously keeps tweeting. Okay, so there's a technical analysis here about Safemoon that I just come across, and let's see what it's talking about. So if you look at this chart, what it's trying to say is this is the amount of the tokens currently right now. It's 590. Is that trillion? That's quadrillion, yeah. And obviously, that's 5.9 billion zeros, whatever. Now, this is the current price, 0.0001. Now, and obviously because 410 trillion is burnt, if you know what I mean. So 590 trillion, that's the amount of coins that are there right now in supply. Now, as time goes on, the more people sell, the more people buy, the more transactions are taking place, more of these coins will get sold or get burnt. And eventually, the goal in 22nd of April, apparently, is to basically, the first goal is to burn 25 trillion, another 25 trillion. So, and if the market cap gets to around 59 billion, oh, so actually they're expecting to have a 30 billion market cap by the end of end of this year. That's what some person, like, I don't know how trustable this source is, but it looks like they've made a nice chart, and apparently it's Sean Whitriol that has made this graph. Okay, and I think it's just trying to estimate in a good scenario, like if everything goes to plan, this could be like incredible, man. If this thing does happen, like, guys, I'm just gonna have to go downstairs quick, so don't go anywhere. I'm gonna come back very quickly. It's just that I need to do something. So yeah, so just hold on into this live. How do I? Oh, hold on, please, yeah.